Today, we're making something bright, refreshing, and full of life: the Mediterranean Chickpea and Veggie Bowl. This is more than just a salad. It's a complete, balanced meal packed with protein, fibre, and nutrients. A colorful bowl that fuels your body, lifts your mood, and reminds you that healthy eating can be truly delicious. Let's get started. You'll need these simple ingredients: 2 cups of cooked or canned chickpeas, rinsed 1 cucumber, diced 1 red bell pepper, chopped 1 small red onion, finely sliced 10 cherry tomatoes, halved a handful of fresh spinach or kale, a few olives, sliced a spoon of olive oil, juice of half a lemon, a teaspoon of oregano or mixed Mediterranean herbs, salt and pepper to taste, optional, crumbled feta or a vegan cheese alternative. Begin by preparing your vegetables. Chop the cucumber, bell pepper, onion, and tomatoes. Place them in a large bowl with the chickpeas, spinach, and olives. Next, let's make a simple dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, oregano, salt, and pepper. Taste and adjust. It should be tangy, smooth, and aromatic. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss everything gently. Every ingredient should be coated lightly with that Mediterranean shine. Add your cheese if using, and give it one final toss. Look at those colors: red, green, yellow, and gold. This is nature's beauty on your plate. The Mediterranean Chickpea and Veggie Bowl isn't just healthy, it's healing. It's full of antioxidants, plant-based protein, and fresh flavor that energizes you from within. This dish fits perfectly into your day, whether it's a light lunch, a post-workout meal, or a quick dinner. Here are a few quick chef tips. Add cooked quinoa or brown rice if you want a heavier meal. Roast your chickpeas for extra crunch and flavor. Store leftovers in the fridge. It tastes even better the next day as the flavors blend together. Use fresh herbs like parsley or mint for extra freshness. Healthy food should never feel boring. This recipe proves that with simple ingredients and the right balance, you can make something amazing in minutes. And now for the best part. Let's taste it. One bite and you'll understand why Mediterranean food is loved all around the world. Fresh, bright, zesty, and satisfying. Thank you for cooking with 555 cooking ideas. We hope this dish inspires you to eat healthier, feel better, and enjoy every moment in your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 555 Cooking Ideas for more easy and heartwarming recipes that make healthy living simple. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Until next time, cook with love, eat with joy, and live with balance.